Hi guys, wanted to do a little quick review for language this week. This week you have a couple quizzes coming up and a test coming up, and I wanted to do a review on helping words and words that need helping words, words that don't need helping words, and what exactly helping words are. You will need for those quizzes and tests to be able to identify words that need helping words, words that don't need helping words, and what helping words are. Especially like in a sentence, you would need to be able to determine what the correct word would be to be used in a sentence, as well as if there is a helping word there, you need to be able to identify that particular helping word as well. So let's look at some examples of what helping words are. Helping words here. These are some of the common helping words that you will see in sentences. Had, has, have, was, were, is, and are. These particular words will come prior to a word in order for it to help that particular word to make sense in a sentence. So let's look now at what words need helping words and what words do not need helping words, which means which words that I'm going to show you will need one of these words before it or may not need one of those words before it to make sense in a sentence. So let's look at the word blue. Does the word blue need a helping word or does not need a helping word in order for the word to make sense? So if I were to say, I blew a bubble, or I have blew a bubble, which would make sense? Needs a helping word, does not need a helping word. If you answered does not need a helping word, you would be correct. Blue does not need a helping word. Blue makes sense all on its own. So I blew a bubble. You do not need to put a helping word before that word. What about this word? Frozen. Does frozen need a helping word or does not need a helping word? Try when you're thinking of it to be able to use it in a sentence with one of those helping words. If it makes sense, then it probably needs a helping word. If it does not make sense with the helping word in front of it, it doesn't need a helping word. Frozen needs a helping word. You would, in order to use it correctly, you would need to have a helping word prior to it. Let's look at the word flew. Flew. Think to yourself, do you need one of those helping words in front of this word in order to make sense, or does it not need one of those words in front of it? Flew. You answered does not need a helping word. You would be correct. Does not need a helping word. Let's try another one. Done. Done. Did you say needs a helping word? Does not need a helping word. You answered needs a helping word. You would be correct. You need to place a helping word in front of the word done in order for that word to make sense. All right, this was just a quick little review. I do want to encourage you to continue to review over those. Use your notes that you have copied on proper usage of those words. Let's see, some of the words: drove, driven, rode, ridden, broke, broken, all of those type of words. You need to be able to tell if it needs a helping word or if it does not need a helping word. And remember, you also need to know what helping words are. Hope you this little review was helpful. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and message me. Have a good one. Bye.